Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Ghost from Call of Duty in Grand Theft Auto. First, navigate to the clothing store and head to the headwear section. You will want to find a black balaclava, which serves as the base. Next, search for a skull-patterned mask. This is crucial for Ghost's signature appearance. Layer this mask over the balaclava, making sure it covers the lower half of your character's face for that unmistakable look. Moving on to the torso, select a black long-sleeve combat shirt. This will be your character's base layer. Over this, you will need a heavy-duty tactical vest. Opt for one in black or a dark gray color. Pay attention to details like pouches and equipment on the vest, as these elements significantly contribute to Ghost's tactical, military-inspired appearance. This combination creates a robust and authentic upper body. For the lower body, choose black or dark gray cargo pants. Look for options with multiple utility pockets to enhance the tactical feel. Next, select a pair of sturdy, black combat boots. These should extend above the ankle to complete the military uniform. The combination of these pants and boots will give your character the durable and functional look essential for a Ghost-inspired outfit. To finalize your Ghost character, add black tactical gloves. These small details make a big difference. You might also consider a utility belt with a holster to give your character an even more equipped and ready-for-action appearance. Take a moment to review your character from all angles, ensuring every element aligns with Ghost's iconic look. With these steps, your character will be ready for any mission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.